Hi, this is your friend Nishit and I welcome you to the demo video of Adbloop. Today you will learn how to use Adbloop's bulk mode and create more than 150 campaigns within just a few seconds. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Once you have a bulk mode with you, only please note down one thing, only a pro and agency user can use bulk mode. Uh, our free tier user can use our regular campaign create mode, but to use bulk create you must be our paid users. So once you reach to this bulk create mode, you will see this type of dashboard in front of you. You can pick various objective to run a various bulk create campaigns for your requirements. For this demo purpose, I'm going ahead with traffic campaign. There are certain parameters I have already preset, like conversion locations, goal, daily budget, country, age requirement, gender. I'll go with CBO campaign for this demo purpose. Okay, so we have built this grid composer, which is very important to run a bulk create campaigns. Normally, what happen? Media buying agencies or performance marketers use certain media libraries and where they save their creatives. So we have built this kind of option for you where you can bring your entire Google Drive link folder within just one click. So for this demo purpose, I'll use my image drive. So this is the my demo drive which I have created, which has around 28 images saved into it. So within just one click, if you click this import folder, your entire Google Drive's folder will be fetched to this dashboard and you will be able to create multiple bulk campaigns without manually copy pasting single link of creatives. Right, you can see that we have imported 28 images. For this demo purpose, I'll go ahead with this type of short headlines and primary text. You can bulk upload these things as well. So as you can see that currently we have a 168 campaigns with using this various variations of 28 images, 2 headlines and 3 primary text. For this demo purpose, as we have chose traffic campaign and conversion location is website, I'll be using my demo website. This is my demo website. For ease to understand campaign name, I'll use certain campaign prefix. You can change it by yourself as well, as per your requirement. So for this demo purpose, we will use bulk demo and today's date, which is 4th June. Now within just one click, 168 rows will be generated. As you can see, now you have to validate it. If is there any issue with your settings, then this validate option and our system will tell you that there is a certain error which you can rectify and run your campaign ahead. Then you have to estimate. So our system will tell you that how much time will it take. This is approximate estimation and you have to press it create all button. That's it. Now timer has started, and you will see that progress from this progress bar here. As you can see that this estimation shows 2 minutes, but I'm sure that our system will be able to create all 168 campaigns within a minute. Hold on, you will be able to see a magic within few seconds. So our system create bulk campaigns in a batches. So as you can see that 5 out of 7 batches are already done. Yeah. So we have created 168 campaigns within just 68 seconds. Isn't it amazing? How much time do you take to create of even a 5 campaigns in a business manager? So I have used this Nishit Speaks ad account, and the prefix which we chose was bulk demo. So let's see in live ads manager as well. So let me filter it out for you. It was bulk demo and today's date. If I select all the campaigns, you can see 168 live campaigns are there. Ad sets are available, all the ads are available. Sometimes when you use certain tools, you will see all the campaigns are generated, but certain ad sets are failed, certain ads are failed, but it will not happen with Adbloop at all. And by default all these campaigns are paused. So if you want to make it live, then you have to go to this campaign section. As you can see, all the campaigns are here, and you just have to press this activate button and it will be automatically live in your dashboard. So this was our demo for bulk campaign creation using Adbloop. I hope you liked it, and you will use it to create a bunch of bulk campaign and save some time which you can spend with your friends and family, not in business manager. Thank you so much. Have a great day.